In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage budgets and expenses on Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized space that helps you plan, track, and review spending with confidence, all without building anything from scratch. We'll begin by opening a new dashboard. Think of a dashboard as your command center. It brings together your budget data, visuals, and summaries so you can see the big picture at a glance. Starting fresh gives you a blank canvas that's easy to shape around your financial goals, whether you're managing a project budget, a department spend, or a company-wide plan. Next, choose Start with Template. Templates are your shortcut to a professional setup. Instead of manually adding groups, columns, and calculations, you're leveraging a proven structure that's been thoughtfully laid out for tracking money in and money out. This selection opens the template library where Monday.com showcases pre-built solutions designed for different use cases. From here, select Budget Plan. This template focuses on practical finance tracking. It's designed to help you compare planned budgets to actual expenses and spot variances quickly. You'll typically see sections that separate time periods or initiatives, columns for category, owner, planned amount, actual spend, and a variance indicator, plus options to tag vendors or add notes. The beauty of using a budget template is that core fields and formulas are already aligned, so you can focus on accurate data entry and analysis instead of setup details. As you review the preview, notice how it structures information in a way that supports both day-to-day tracking and higher-level reporting. Finally, click Use Template. Monday.com will create your working space instantly, populated with the budget plan framework. At this point, you can start managing your budget and expenses right away. Begin by entering your categories and planned amounts, then record actuals as payments occur. The template will surface variances automatically, helping you see where you're under or over budget. If your work involves multiple projects or time periods, use the provided groups to keep each stream organized so your totals remain clear and comparable. A few quick tips to get even more value once the template is active. Consider renaming your dashboard so your team immediately recognizes its purpose. Confirm the currency and number formatting match your region. And align categories with the way you report, so roll-ups and charts tell a story your stakeholders understand. With the setup in place, you'll have a repeatable, transparent process for monitoring spend, updating figures, and making informed decisions throughout your fiscal cycle. That's it. Simple, structured, and ready to use. Enjoy managing your budgets and expenses on Monday.com with confidence.